This morning, earlier when we connected to you, CHRISELDA, there wasn't too much detail about this case you're following today. Any further detail for now?
Well, that's right, Desiree. It's just a little bit more about what we knew earlier on this morning. Recall I'd indicated that 3 persons had been arrested for an alleged involvement in a dodgy deal. We know that now those 3 persons who have been arrested, the former Tegeta Exploration and Resources Directors Ronica Raghavan, Optimum Coal Mine former trustee, Pushpavini Governor, as well as the former Department of Mineral Resources DDG Joel Rapella. But just a few moments ago, I'd say about 5 minutes ago, court has been adjourned for just a few moments. The presiding magistrate has got to go and make a few telephone calls. So what transpired in court this morning is that the former Deputy Director General within the Department of Mineral Resources, Joel Rapella, certainly seems to be a little bit confused by what is taking place inside court this morning. The presiding magistrate has had to ask him several times where his legal representative is. To such a degree, he'd indicated that he'd called his legal representative to come to court this morning, but when the presiding magistrate had asked for a telephone number, he looked for it. Now, the presiding magistrate has got to make several telephone calls. He certainly seems to be a bit confused, perhaps, about what is taking place inside this court this morning, that one of the legal representatives who does not have anything to do with this particular matter has had to step in and provide some assistance to him here this morning. It seems to be, a very difficult situation here this morning. You would know that the 3 individuals that I spoke about are alleged to have been involved in a 100 million rand dodgy deal. Those are the accusations. Some of the charges that they're facing include money laundering, fraud, forgery, as well as other charges as well. So at this particular stage, the reason why court has had to adjourn for just a few moments is that the presiding magistrate had also asked the former Deputy Director General in the department whether he has got family members here. He said no. He seemed to be not able to answer the presiding magistrate when she asked him several questions here this morning. So how this matter is going to proceed, we do understand that there would be a possible bail application that will be made here this morning. Whether the cases themselves will be separated due to what seems to be a condition that the former Deputy Director General has inside court this morning certainly remains to be seen. So court has had to adjourn this morning as a result of that, but we do believe that the matter itself will proceed and possibly the bail applications as well. But the matter has had to adjourn for just a few moments as a result of the magistrate trying to confirm some of the details, including the telephone number that the former Deputy Director General within the Mineral Resources Department, who has now been arrested, to try and confirm some of the details that he gave to this court, including the person that says is representing him in this particular matter, who's not showed up in court this morning. So it certainly remains to be seen how this matter will proceed in court this morning, because it seems that one of the accused is not able to answer some of the questions that the magistrate is asking to him.
CHRISELDA, of course, will await further detail as this process unfolds.